Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble this paper daffodil. So I've cut out my templates with medium weight cardstock using my cutting machine, the Cricut. And this one is not so, you could theoretically cut this by hand, but it's obviously a lot easier with a cutting machine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to curl the petals. So these are the base petals, and I want sort of a gentle curl with them. So I'm using the softer side of my scraper. If you don't have a scraper, you can always just use like a credit card or any sort of straight edge. So with the centermost piece, I like to curl it vertically along the petal. So you just do that with each of the pieces. Put that aside. So, and then we're gonna sort of glue the different layers together. And the base is quite straightforward. You just glue one layer on top of each other. Now, this one, I'm gonna first sort of fold the petals in a little bit. And now I'm gonna glue each of the petals in relative to each other. So I just put a little dab of glue in the center of the petal, like right here. And then hold it up against the next petal, and then you go around in a circle. So I like to use the hot glue gun for this one because it goes a little bit faster and you don't have to sit there and hold the petals forever. This final piece, let's add a little glue. There you have it.